Okay, anyway, my idea was after installing, and when you hover over this one, you can see that our file vulnerable or whatever it is. What name did you give? Did you get it? This raster calculator? Did you after that raster analysis? So you can see that 0 over here, and when you move over this one, when you go to a white patch, let me see. You can see that value is moving to 1. Yeah, that's it. And see, when you have multiple layers, you'll have at least some idea what is happening here. So let me see that. Here you have slope over here on the bottom. Here you can see the slope. Here almost it is almost similar slope. Here it is coming the sleep. This are you seeing my screen, my cursor? I'm just coming over here. Okay, this is a plane. You can see that slope is values are moving. But when you come over here, this area, I think this is a river. You can see that the slope is almost 0 because the water flows not in a very steep direction over here. So it might be a river because you have the river, the vulnerability is 0, then the slope is again 0. So I think this is a river or some kind of water body. I think, I'm not sure because I haven't seen. So here I was telling about this part. Here you can see that. I think this is a river only. This is something is coming up and this is a valley. Sorry, this is a plain region. Yeah. So everybody has got 4 layers at least. Okay, forget about the value tool, mutant and all. But everybody has got 4 layers here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any problem now? Like on
Sir,
yeah, please
repeat vulnerable part.
Which one? Yeah, okay. No, that vulnerable, I just gave a name. Okay, forget about the name. You don't have to stick to the name. My query was, the question was, you were supposed to extract the regions in your study area or extract the pixels in your study area which are steeper than 45 degree. For that, we have used this because we have derived the slope from the DEM which I have provided you in the morning. And we then go to the raster calculator, and you'll be have you are the number of bands, the number of raster files which are opened in your like in your layers will be showing up here. You are supposed to open the slope file, and you can see the mathematical operators here. So from here you are supposed to take the greater than, because you are deriving the files which are greater than 45 degree. So you are just supposed to give 45 degree. Again, you can give multiple operations here. Suppose you want the files like the pixels which are between 45 and 55. So you can give AND option is here, then OR option is here. Many mathematical operators are here. So you can play with it. And I am just giving you a kind of a flavor of what can be done with the QGIS and what is the possibilities. Most of the people, if somebody wants to further work on it, maybe for your PhD or something like that, for them, they feel like this is fun. This is nothing. This is not the complete capability of QGIS. They have, it has extreme like infinite potential, and I'm just giving you a kind of a flavor of what is happening here. So you can again play with this thing. I'm just giving you the very basics. I don't want you to get complicated or get confused. And this is nothing. And for the people who have done BSc over in this department, I think they are well familiar with this thing, because I myself have taught many of, I don't know, this, have I taught you again? I mean, before any people in this one?
Sir.
No, okay, I don't know. Yeah, I've been teaching this thing for 4 years, the same thing here in that practical class. I don't know. Like,
At our times, it was Vikrant bhai, I guess.
okay,
It
okay,
was answer and Shubham, sir.
Yes.
okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, whatever it is, yeah, there was one person who was asking about this thing. So we can here, you can give the operation here, and you just give an output name also, whatever name you want. Then you can just click OK, and you will get a new layer. And when you install the value tool in the, what is that? In the from the plugins, you will get you will have a kind of, it's an interactive. When you hover your cursor over the roster, you will get kind of what the value, the corresponding value to that pixel. If I click over here, I mean, sorry, you don't have to click it. If I'm keeping my cursor over here, I'll get this one. Yeah, that's it. So we have derived 4 regions. I mean, 4 files, new files. And what is we? Oh, yeah. So after this, have you seen one kind of? Okay, wait a second. Okay, come to my screen again. Have you seen something like this? A feature like this? What is this thing? Like something you're finding at kind of in the plane region. You are seeing something over here like this. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is a complete study area. Here you can see it's a plain region. See, it looks like a river, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
Or some kind of water body, maybe a river or some stream. Yeah, this might be a river. I think it is river. I don't know. It's Alagunanda or some tributary of Ganga or something like that. I think. I don't know. It might be Alagunanda. No, yeah, I don't know. Whatever it is. Yeah. So here you have and by this thing you can create beautiful maps also. So I don't know, like if I have something, let me see. Suppose if you want to create maps for the whole region of the whole world, these kind of maps can be prepared very easily with the help of GIS. All these maps have been prepared with QGIS only. And if you want to do terrain analysis like this, and all
So
these
we
things.
can't see. So we are seeing your QG screen only.
Wait a second. Okay, I was thinking like my whole screen is being shared. Are you seeing this thing now?
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
You can create beautiful maps with QGIS like this, and for oil analysis, suppose you want to create your study area here. I think that river it's part of Bhagirathi, I think. Yeah, whatever it is. You can create this kind of maps here. Suppose if you want your India here, then your study area here, then you have your state here. So when you see this map, you are understanding what is happening here, right? You are getting a kind of, you are able to understand, you are able to digest the idea of the location of the study area, right? When you see this thing, are you able to understand this one? When you see this slide,
Yes, sir.
you understand this thing. Where is my study area? Whoever it is, not mine, whoever it is. Okay, it's my study area only. Did you understand this thing? Okay, there's India here. There's something over here. Then there is Uttarakhand state here. Then the landslide locations over here. Did you understand this thing? This kind of maps you can easily create in QGIS. And again, all these things have been prepared in QGIS only, or whatever. Not only QGIS, but yeah, this kind of, again, the slope aspect and everything is from here only. So again, okay, again, back to QGIS. Okay, coming back. So did you understand that there's some kind of feature over here, I think? Okay, I don't know. When you are seeing over here, you can see that when you check over on this one, you're taking the value tool again. You are understanding some kind of, what do you call this one, this feature in geology? What do you call this one? Small hillock? I don't know, whatever it is. Let's consider this as a small hill. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, suddenly everybody went mute, so I thought. Okay, anyway, and you want to somehow delineate this feature, or there's a kind of river feature over here. So so we have a river feature over here. Then okay, suppose we want to delineate, or we want to extract this one from here. Sorry.
So my coordinates are not similar with yours.
It's okay. It's okay. Forget about the coordinates. Might be the coordinate reference system might be different. See, see, come to this corner and see. You might be having a different one. So forget about that. So, but you're seeing the something similar things only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, forget about that thing. So here you have, then suppose you want to delineate this part of the river here. Okay, keep this layer ready, and this hillshade. Like only keep hillshade active, or like active, or like make it to the top, make it as the topmost layer, and come to the layer. Then you are making a new shape file. Create a layer, come to the shape file. Okay, I'm stopping it here. I mean, I'm just pausing it here so that you can take a screenshot or whatever you want. Okay, then click over there. Then you are giving a kind of, I am just giving, go to this folder where you are like, what do you say, where you have saved, or wherever you want. I'm just giving this feature as water. I'm just giving river part. So I'm just keeping it, and I'm giving as a geometry here as polygon. Here you can get multiple options here. I'm just giving polygon here, and I want to, there's a new field here. You can give anyone. Just I'm giving test. Then I am giving an OK. Then you can see the left side. There's a new file has been added, which is a shape file. In that, okay, am I supposed to close it or something? People are leaving or joining, something is happening. Am I supposed to leave it? I think it's till 1:30, right?
Yes, sir. You can carry on, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, if you have any difficulty, or some class is coming up, just ask me to stop. Okay, you want some half hour, or like half an hour break or something, ask me to stop, I'll stop it. If there's a somehow, some problem with the classes or something like that, some clash with the timetable or something, just let me know. Okay, I can stop it anytime. And from there, then
Hello, Trideep. Hello, Trideep.
Yeah. Somebody wants to talk something? What happened?
Yeah, sir, I was saying that that guy Trideep was not getting the options of slope, aspect, hill shade in his QGIS, no? So
Yeah.
he can get it from simply from going to raster. Uh, he can go to the DEM terrain models, and in the mode he can change the aspect, hill shade, and slope and all.
Where it is? Where was it?
No, sir, it was
First,
not showing in his. So whatever his Sagar is telling, that option was also not there in Pradeep's. I have talked with him.
analysis tool was not there. In.
No.
Go to plugins, simple. Go to plugins and download, install processing file. Then you get all these things.
And not
Now I got it, sir.
tool.
Okay, whatever it is, that's you decide among yourself. And okay. Okay, what I was like, yeah. So you'll be having a like what I did was like I created one new shapefile. Then I went to the toggle editing. Here there's an option called toggle editing. You can see that it is becoming
Also, can you-
editable. Yeah, please. Yeah,
So
what
can you
happened?
ask-
Okay. Am I getting disconnected in between?
Yes, sir.
Few minutes back you were disconnected.
Okay. I'm sorry. I think my net is not good today. I'm using my mobile internet. That's why my Wi-Fi is down. Okay. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And are you seeing my QGIS window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing something, a water body over here? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you reach here this point? Like, did you follow me? River, like how I created it. Okay, I'll delete it. I'll start from the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose I want to delineate this part as a shape file. So what I have to do is here I'm just going to the layer. Then I am creating a new shape file in which I'm giving a name as, okay, I think I've already given river, but yeah, I'm just giving a river. Then geometry type is, I'm just giving polygon here. Then I'm giving a name called test. I'm just testing because, okay, I'm just giving okay, then okay, let's forget it. Then there's a new layer created over here. Then I'm just going and right clicking. Then I'm just start toggle edit. Then next to this one, you'll be having one option called alt polygon feature. Then here you can add the feature. I'm just giving a very, how do I say that? I'm just choosing random points. You can just click over here and you can make some files like this. Okay, then right click over here, then they'll ask for the ID. I'm just giving as one, then it's coming as a new one. And then I stop toggle, then they'll ask you whether you want to save the edits or not. I want to save it. So you have a new revert shape file here, in which you can just keep the fill color. You can give any color or something like that. Okay, applying it. Then if you want, okay, here there's a new file, and in your folder in here you can see that there's something new file over here, which is a water body. Suppose you want to create some kind of bridge or something over here, so that you can use this as a point or something. This is all for GIS analysis only. Okay. Coming back to the new, could you please repeat that one? Okay. Before that, I want you to see that thing. Go to view again. View, because that digitize the georeferences may not be available in yours. Like go to panels. Sorry, toolbar. Sorry. Go to the go to view, then toolbar. Then there's one option called digitizing toolbar. Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has got it. This is the default. No, again. Yeah, other people.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is there who hasn't got it? Okay, everybody has got it. Then activate this toolbar, check it so that mine is already checked. Make sure that it is checked, and then you can see that the digitizing toolbar will be coming up almost somewhere over here. You can see that toggle editing, then save layer edit, add polygon feature, then vertex tool, such things you'll be having. Modify, delete. Okay. Then go to layers and create layer, then new shapefile. Now I want to the file name you can give another one. I'm just giving hill. Okay, then you can see that this type is .shp only, that is the extension. And geometry type I'm taking this time, I am taking a line. I'm taking a line feature. Then I'm just giving a name again, something, anything you can give. Okay, then okay. So you can see that there's one new file called hill. Okay, so this I want to, okay, the hill should have been a kind of so then I am just you can open the toggle edit. Then you can see that instead of add polygon, here it was add polygon before, now it is add line feature. Click over there, you can see that your cursor is like it has transformed to a crosshair. You can see that I'm making some lines over here. Okay, so this is a line feature. When you want to end it, just right click, give an ID 1 or something, then okay, you have a line feature over here. You can right click over there, then you can change the features. Okay, apply, and you'll get all the details. You have got this one, then you can toggle editing, then you can save it. This is how it works. Okay, I'm deleting it. I mean, I'm removing it, all these things. Okay, and could you please kindly do this thing? Like, could you please do these things? And I'm showing, go to create layer, new shapefile. This time I'm giving something else. I'm just giving hill 2. Then I'm just taking again a geometry as polygon, then giving the name again as test. You can give anything, okay. Giving okay, then I'm just going here, toggle edit, so that the editing the layer become editable. Then I'm just going here again, then you'll see that your mouse is becoming, it is transforming to a crosshair. Sorry. Then if you want to go and digitize in detail, go here. You can use the zoom button. And I'm just activating it again. So right click, then I'm giving one ID, okay, so that your hill is kind of, I'm just giving a fill color of green, okay, and applying it. It's becoming this way, and you can set even the transparency also. How do I set the transparency? Yeah, you can see the opacity here. You can make it okay so that your feature is somehow visible now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What about other people?
Yes, sir.
So I hope this has been done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you guys are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think that's all for today's class, and I hope you have learned, or like at least you have understood how to derive the slope, aspect, hill shape, make the raster queries or raster analysis, then how to create a new shapefile, a point file or multi-point or a polygon or polyline. Or I think this much you are clear, right? Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I asked you a question.
Yes, sir, that is clear. Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yep.
Sir, what was that? Yes, sir. So when you told us about the raster calculator, about that vulnerability feature, you said that we can
Mhm.
mark like more than.
Mhm.
So, sir, in that, can we like mark more than 2, 3? Like we can zone,
Yeah.
like make 2, 3 zones. Like I
Yes,
want
yes.
to be less than 10, more than 10 to 20, and then
You
can I do
can
that?
you can do multiple analysis by creating multiple conditions. Like suppose
So
your
like in
question
a same layer, like in a one raster file only. So
yeah.
because what it's now it's showing is like 0 to 1, like one is black and
Yes.
that is another is white. So can
Yeah.
there be like multiple zones being shown? Like how to do that if you can just.
What is your objective? What do you
So
want to do?
like I want to see a
Mhm.
zone like in this raster file. Can I delineate the slope, the area of slope less than 10, then
Mhm.
let's say 10 to 30, and then 30 to beyond. So like I want 3 zones to be delineated,
Okay, you want to make
or
three
maybe more.
classes, in fact, right?
What's sir?
You wanted to make three classes. One is
Yes,
0
sir.
to 10, then 10 is
Yes,
10
sir.
to 20, and 20 to above,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. For that, you can use raster calculator.
Hmm.
I think for visualization purpose, I think there's an easy way also. I think here itself, suppose, let me see that. Here itself, we can make, I don't know whether it is in QGIS or it is possible. In one way of doing that is like we can make multiple conditions over there, but the output will be only one only. Like suppose you want like, and again you want one raster which is okay. Here you have one raster called this one, like above 45 and below 45. From this vulnerable you are getting. Another one is that suppose you are making another raster you are making like above 50 and above 60. I mean above 50 and below 50. And you're giving, and you can give values also, multiple values.
And then sir, we can later merge them. Is that what you're saying?
Not merging, that is called something else.
That's what I was asking, sir. Whether in a one
It was
raster file
getting
there
good.
will be only true and false values, or there can be intermediate values as well.
Yes, you can get it. Like if suppose if you're giving 1 or 2 or 3, suppose 1 represents below 10, 2 represents below like 10 to 20, and 3 represents above 20. That is possible. It is easy also. I forgot how it was. That it is possible. It is very easy also. There's some like you can add 2 rasters also. Like it is very easy. It is possible, and I'll tell you in next class. Okay, I forgot.
Okay. So once
Yes.
can you go in raster, like
Yeah,
this is the raster
yeah.
option here,
Yep.
and click on it. I cannot see the drop down. So there is that I'll tell you that in the miscellaneous there is that merge. Like can this be done by that? Like if I make 2 rasters and both of different values, and then later I merge the rasters to get
Mhm.
another raster with which may show all these zones.
Maybe I did not do
Okay,
that.
so I'll try and see. Okay,
Yeah, you may
next
do
class
that.
I'll. Okay.
Because I'm not using much QGIS nowadays.
It's okay.
I'm
So which
just-
software actually are you working on in your PhD?
No, I'm not see, actually in PhD, you are not working on software. I'm not working on software. I'm working on a topic and I'm using this software just to get my work done. I am using R and I'm using QGIS, and there's one software called ArcGIS. You
Yes,
might have
sir.
heard
Yes,
that.
sir, we did. Yeah.
Yeah, so I am using that actually because sometimes I feel like it is a paid software
Hmm.
and it's stable. See, in QGIS, it out of nowhere it crashes, some problem. But as for you, it is the best because you don't have to pay. You can just you will get such a good community support. So, but for time being, I'm using ArcGIS because I am more comfortable in ArcGIS. Nothing like I started working on that. So, but it's nothing like you cannot say one is better or another is and this like there's no comparison. But I am kind of comfortable in ArcGIS, in R also. But for getting some work done, I rely on ArcGIS. So QGIS also. But not.
Excuse me,
Yeah, please.
if you want to remove the polygon, how to do that?
You wanted to remove the polygon, delete it, or like
So I have deleted the layer, but the polygon is still there.
could you please share your screen? Or what do you want to do? Like you wanted to remove it, you can go here, then you can remove it from here. Remove layer, it is possible. Is that the one you want? Can you see my?
Yes, I want to remove the polygon from the map.
Yeah, that is this. Why don't you remove from here? Otherwise, you can uncheck it so that it disappears. You can see some weird red line over here. You see?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please repeat how you made that line, red line?
Did you make a line, any line?
So I made the polygon.
Okay, go here, layer, create the new shapefile, then give a file name as what you want. I'm just giving.
Then choose line, right?
Yeah, that's it.
I've done that, but
Where did you like then? Okay, you wanted to give this this red color. Is that the one you want? You can click over here, double click over here. I chose, there are multiple options. You can give for dash road, effect emboss, this effect neon. I chose this effect neon. Can even choose a blue line so that my red line becomes blue. You see in this thing. It is nothing, it is just for visualization only. This is the interface of ArcGIS. This is something more. I find it kind of more easy. So this is, you can easily make maps and all the stuff for once you get the results. So this is one of the things I use. And so I feel like for me, I somehow kind of find, I don't know, it's kind of totally depending on the person's I find, but QGIS is free, it's open, the community is very good. It's my problem that I find comfortable in that. QGIS is good actually. It is free. See, whatever comes in free, it's like there's a good community to support it. So ArcGIS is it's a kind of, you're supposed to pay, I think in lakhs. So it's a crack software again. So this is one thing. And if you are good with programming, you can go with Python or R. So I think some of you have got some introduction in R also. I think in BSc or somewhere.
So I did basic like cropping and merging and all these things on R, but not like beyond that.
Okay. I think
So is there
maybe-
any specific source, like any YouTube channel or something that where like
I do not know. I do not know. I haven't followed anything.
okay.
I do not know so about that thing, the specific YouTube channel or anything. But I think whatever you search, you're getting answer. That's it. Because I searched here about that yours. What is that problem? What was that? Some persons were not getting that plugin. I mean, this raster options. You are supposed to install the terrain or something, terrain processing tool or something like that in Toolbox. I don't know why it's by default it is supposed to be available. I do not know why it happened. Yeah, there are some multiple other things also. Like suppose this is what was that? This is this for this thing for. Have you seen this hill shade here? I mean, the hill I made, the red one, like, sorry. Oh, where is that? I'll keep. You can see this one. Are you seeing this one? Where's my, are you seeing my screen? QGIS, is it present?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we can.
Here you can see that this is my, how do I say that? My shapefile, the polygon which I created. Suppose this is a hill and I want to work on it. So I want to know the extent of the valley or extent of the plane surrounding the hill. So you can go to vector and go to again analysis tool or like what geometry tools. Where is it? Yeah, you can make buffer here. Okay, this may not work. Not sure. So let me see if it works or not. Okay, it has created a 0.1. How much did I give? Okay, 10 kilometer buffer around that one. You see, you have seen the buffered one. Have you seen this? This file was not there. Did you see this one? This is the hill one, and we have got a 10 kilometer buffer around this one. Kind of. Did you understand this? You can use multiple operations. You can see, which I might not be able to introduce all these things to you. There are multiple things, like the people who are working on QGIS or like who are working on this one. You are supposed to explore it. You can go like there's another tool called, this is, I don't know. It is a drawing tool. You can just draw it. You can just draw a polygon. You can just give any name. And what happened? Oh, the system got crashed. Yeah, you can make any kind of such things in QGIS so that for this kind of boundaries you can make. And suppose if you want to then you want to crop your study area. Suppose you have see here you can make this kind of sphere or whatever it is. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Anything else? It's time also, I think. Yeah. Anybody has any problem with this thing? And Kriti, make sure that you are sending the attendance. I don't know how does it work. Each class, after each class, you are sending, or like how does it work? I do not know.
Sir, I